Hello, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to the Elets World Fintech Summit. Today, I have with me Mr. Anil Nayak, who is the Technical Sales Leader at IBM. So, welcome to the summit, sir.
Thanks, Kanchan.
So, how has been your, feedback or your takeaways from the summit so far? How has been your experience?
So far, it's really good, really good. And the reason I really appreciate this kind of setting is I see there is a sense of lightness. People are open, approachable, and also see when the keynote speech and everything is delivered, people are attentive. So it's like right audience and right speakers. That's a fantastic combination.
Great to hear that. So basically, like, how is IBM helping the fintech companies in Karnataka unlock the power of AI, cloud, and blockchain?
All right. I think you started off with the point which has been a defining strategy of IBM. Today's IBM, the strategy is AI and hybrid cloud.
Okay.
Right. So now, why essentially means why AI and hybrid cloud, and why that is a critical building block for any fintech. You can say fintech or tech fin. You can say, right? Most of the technology company getting into finance domain.
Yes.
So now technology becoming extremely critical part of building this ecosystem. So what we have done is, when it comes to AI and hybrid cloud, IBM acquired the company Red Hat, and one of the key products from Red Hat portfolio is OpenShift.
Okay.
So what OpenShift can do is it can create a level playing field wherein you can run your workload on premise, or it could be any of the cloud, anywhere you want to run it. So you once build your application, it has the ability to move wherever you want. There is no lock-in. It's a very open system, number one. Number two is, because OpenShift is based on Kubernetes, it's a microservices architecture, your scale out, scale in, and everything is very agile. So while your workload is not very predictable, your infrastructure is equally agile. It can scale up, scale down. So this is a foundational technology, hybrid cloud. And on top of that, IBM has been into the space of AI for a pretty long time. But now, since the advent of ChatGPT, now everyone is talking about AI, right? Up until then, it was there in the back door. AI was still there. But after that, what we have done is we have created a platform. We call it Watson X. That's the platform. We have .ai, .data, .governance, which takes care of how do I train, deploy my AI? How do I make sure the right data is available at the right place? And last thing is around governance of guardrails. Many of the speakers talked about it, right? So that's the platform which gives a very secure, accessible infrastructure to have AI running on hybrid cloud. So that has been our strategy. It's a long answer for you.
No, but it was beautifully explained, sir. And talking about Karnataka's fintech journey. So, where do you see Karnataka evolving over the next 3 to 5 years, like in fintech?
See, first thing is, anyway, for a long time to come, all the skills when it comes to IT or innovation is available in Karnataka.
Okay.
No doubt about it, right? And also we see a founder's mindset these days. Right? Also, you have to see lots of examples wherein the organization have been successful, and that gives a pathway for people to follow. I see that this will continue to grow, wherein we'll see more and more success. It's not just about Karnataka. Now, if you look at our Indian, the foundation to create a fintech environment, it's already being drawn out well by government.
Yes.
And now people can leverage. There was time when people want to do certain things, they say, oh, I don't have a platform to build. Now we have a solid platform. And there are so many things people can do. There are much better avenues available for people to grow. So I think it's just getting started, and a pretty good growth we can foresee.
Yes, truly. So, coming over to the rapid fire round. So, fintech in one word.
Fintech in one word. Fintech? What do you say? So,
like, people, just to help you out, then many of them answered like it's a game changer or it's a revolution. So, what is fintech according to you?
It's a multiplier, I would say.
Okay, I have one more word now added to the list. Okay, so UPI, AI, or blockchain, what excites you the most?
Blockchain is past for now, at least. Maybe it will reinvent at some certain point in time later. UPI and AI usage, right? AI is like the new electricity, right? That's how it is. With AI, what are things? I mean, sky is the limit.
Yes.
There's open possibilities. So I would say for now, next 5 years, it's all AI.
Okay. Startups or big banks, who innovates faster?
You know, I mean, answer startups. It is. I know big banks have their not necessarily that they don't have a good culture. I mean, agility to or agile infrastructure to scale. It's just that they're confined or defined by a set of regulation, unlike what a startup can do, right? So that's why the startup gets wings to innovate faster and further, unlike established big banks. That's why it's startup.
Digital wallet or paper money?
Of course, digital wallet. There's no time. I could forget my wallet, but not the phone. I mean, we forget the phone.
Everybody is going digital.
Yes.
Okay. So, any last piece of advice that you would like to give to our audience?
I would say it's like having very open mind, open view on the things which is coming in our way. Many times it happens that, okay, this new product came in the market. It's not as good as the product I have used. Every product has whether it's a big product or a company has a journey. They gradually evolve. I think we have to trust this process. Things will get better. And of course, there are guardrails which are being created by government and also in collaboration with private sectors and stuff like that. We trust that this process will evolve instead of being very critical about the new and bleeding edge. We have got to accept and see the brighter side of it because things get better.
Thank you so much, sir, for your time today. And we hope that you are enjoying the networking, the collaborations at the summit. So thank you so much for joining.
Absolutely.
Thank you.
Nice talking to you.
Same here.